Technology has transformed how we communicate and participate in society. Handwritten letters became messenger and email, making communication faster and instant. Printed posters evolved into social media advertising, allowing businesses to reach targeted audiences and interact with them. Landlines developed into smartphones, giving us communication, information, and entertainment anytime, anywhere.
This is us! At sa bahaging ito, pag-uusapan natin kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng landline at smartphones.
Ang landline ay isang wired telephone na ginagamit para sa voice calls gamit ang physical telephone line. Naging widely used ito noong late 19th and 20th centuries, lalo na mula post-World War II hanggang late 1990s.
Landline telephones became widely used during the 20th century. People used a fixed telephone to make voice calls through physical telephone lines. They solved the problem of distance and allowed people to communicate in real time. However, landlines were fixed in one location, usually shared by a household, and could only provide voice communication.
Now, let's talk about handwritten letters. Handwritten letters are messages written by hand. They have been used for thousands of years to communicate over long distances before phones and the internet.
Handwritten letters have been used for thousands of years. They allow people to communicate across long distances before telephones and the internet. Letters were personal and meaningful, but they required time, effort, and delivery. A message could take days or weeks to arrive.
Before social media, printed posters were a powerful way to advertise, educate, promote events, and spread public messages.
Printed posters became especially important with the development of lithographic printing in the late 19th century. Posters were placed in streets, schools, stores, and public spaces to advertise products, announce events, educate people, or spread public messages. They were affordable, visible, and creative, but their audience was limited to people who physically saw them. Updating a poster also meant printing a new one.
Ano naman ang smartphone? Ang smartphone ay isang pocket-sized computer na may communication, internet, touchscreen, at iba't ibang apps.
Meanwhile, smartphones combine calling, messaging, cameras, internet access, GPS, entertainment, banking, education, and thousands of applications in one portable device. Instead of waiting beside a landline, we can now communicate almost anywhere with circular data or Wi-Fi.
The modern counterpart of handwritten letters is email and messenger. These digital tools allow people to send and receive messages instantly using the internet, servers, and mobile or web application.
For example, instead of mailing a school letter, a teacher can send an announcement through messenger or email within seconds.
Today, their modern counterpart is social media advertising. Businesses use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to create ads, choose their target audiences, set a budget, and promote images, videos, or other content. Printed posters have also evolved into social media advertising. Businesses can create an advertisement, choose their target audience, set a budget, publish it, and immediately monitor views, clicks, comments, and shares. For example, a small Filipino business can advertise a product on Facebook or TikTok and can reach customers beyond its local community. Handwritten letters to messenger and email, printed posters to social media advertising, and landline to smartphones has 8 common dimensions, and these are: first, speed, accessibility, reach, cost, convenience, interaction, and information. As shown in the table, the then and now technology has greatly changed the way people communicate and behave.
This transformation changed how people behave. First, communication became immediate. Second, advertising became interactive. Third, communication became mobile. For example, a student before might wait for a class announcement on a bulletin board. Today, the same announcement can appear instantly in a messenger group. This creates convenience, but it also creates an expectation of constant availability.
The transformation from printed poster to social media advertising has greatly changed our culture and daily lives. Advertising is now faster, more interactive, and more creative because people can see videos, photos, and digital content anytime. It has also changed how we communicate, learn, build relationships, and make buying decisions. While social media give us wider access to information, products, and different culture, it can also influence our values and reduce some traditional ways of communication.
Overall impact of the shift from handwritten letters to messenger and email. Communication became faster and easier, allowing families and friends to stay connected more often. It also changed our language through abbreviations, emojis, and slang. In education and work, email and messaging made sharing assignments, documents, and information more convenient. In Filipino culture, the way we communicate changed, but our value of staying connected with family and friends remains. As Marshall McLuhan and Manuel Castells explained, communication can change how people interact and how culture develops.
Technology did not only change communication, it changed culture in family, language, education, work, entertainment, and Filipino communities. However, digital technology also exposes Filipinos to global trends, foreign lifestyles, misinformation, and changing consumer preferences. Technology therefore does not simply reflect culture, it can also influence it.
The old and new technologies has benefits and risks. We gain faster and more convenient communication, worldwide connectivity, easier access to information, multimedia and file sharing, greater collaboration in school and work, wider advertising reach, targeted and interactive communication, and convenient access to services and entertainment. But we may also have lost the personal touch of handwritten communication, patience and deeper conversations, some face-to-face interaction, privacy and control over personal information, traditional communication practices, focus and attention due to constant notifications, and protection from scams, misinformation, and digital distractions.
Imagine waiting days or even weeks to receive a handwritten letter. But today, a message can be sent in seconds. Although digital communication makes life easier, handwritten letters remind us of the value of patience, effort, and emotional connection. From handwritten letters to messenger and emails, communication moved from waiting to instant connection. From printed posters to social media advertising, information moved from public spaces to personalized digital screens. From landlines to smartphones, communication moved from fixed locations to portable, always connected technology. These changes show that technology does not simply replace old tools. It changes what we expect, how we behave, how we communicate, how we consume information, and how society functions. The real challenge is learning how to use modern technology without losing the values that made communication meaningful in the first place. If technology continues to evolve, what part of human behavior will change next, and what will we gain or lose because of it?